Today's home-cooked dish is very simple and easy to make. Why not try it when you're busy?
This dish is made with fish cakes, and even children love it. It's flavorful without being greasy, making it perfect for serving to the family. If you also love simple recipes like I do, or are looking for step-by-step cooking videos, you've come to the right place. Welcome to Follow Me. I'm exactly the person you've been searching for. Thank you, everyone. The ingredients are simply sliced fish cakes and broccoli cut into small florets. Heat all in a pan, then add the fish cakes and stir-fry until fragrant. If you have minced ginger, feel free to add it in as well. Once the fish cakes are fragrant, add the broccoli and simply season with salt to taste. When cooking, adding water helps prevent ingredients from burning and ensures even heating. It also uses steam to soften tougher ingredients more quickly. Additionally, it helps blend seasonings, creating a more harmonious flavor in the dish. Broccoli is typically stir-fried for 3 to 5 minutes, adjusted based on the size of the florets and preferred tenderness. Broccoli is typically stir-fried for 3 to 5 minutes, adjusted based on the size of the florets and preferred tenderness. The stir-fried fish cakes with broccoli is now ready. For a simple home-cooked meal, just transfer it to a plate and enjoy. If serving to guests, try plating it like this. Though made with humble ingredients, the flavor is truly delightful. The dish is savory and refreshing, with the umami of fish cakes perfectly balancing the mild sweetness of broccoli, offering a rich layered taste. Well-seasoned and flavorful without being greasy, it's a simple yet satisfying home-cooked delight. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C, dietary fiber, and antioxidants, which help boost immunity and aid digestion. It also contains nutrients like folate, calcium, and iron, which are vital for maintaining bone health and bodily functions. With its low-calorie and high nutrient profile, it is an ideal vegetable choice for a healthy diet. Broccoli is rich in folate, iron, and calcium, helping prevent anemia and support bone health in women. Its antioxidants slow aging and may reduce breast disease risk, while its low-calorie, high-fiber profile aids metabolism and weight management. Broccoli is rich in dietary fiber and vitamin K, helping seniors maintain good health, prevent constipation, and support bone density. Its antioxidants like sulforaphane and vitamin C may slow cellular aging and boost immunity, while its low sodium, high potassium profile also benefits cardiovascular function, making it ideal for elderly diets. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and selenium, helping men boost immunity and combat oxidative stress. Its sulfur compounds may support prostate health and potentially reduce related disease risks, while its high fiber and low-calorie content also aid metabolism and weight management. Some patients should consume broccoli with caution. Individuals with hypothyroidism should limit intake as its thiocyanate may interfere with iodine utilization. Those with weak digestion or prone to bloating may experience discomfort if overeaten. And patients on anticoagulants, for example, warfarin should monitor its vitamin K content to avoid affecting medication efficacy. There are no strictly incompatible foods with broccoli, but consider these tips. Avoid consuming large amounts with high calcium foods, for example, milk, as its oxalic acid may hinder calcium absorption. Those with sensitive stomachs should limit pairing with gas-producing beans to prevent bloating. For optimal nutrition, try not to combine it with animal liver in the same meal, as minerals may interfere with each other's absorption. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For ovo-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with one meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.